Good morning, this is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute. All right, I believe this one wants to get lower than 49.50. So let's see if it can crack down through those lows right there. $49.60 definitely being quite, there's the break. Nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is now set a stop at 61. So it's a winning trade. I just don't know how much of a winning trade it's actually going to be. So let me get this mapped out here. Get my stop loss move. I'll say that again. It's going to be a winning trade. How much of a winning trade? I don't know. So this is a very stress-free spot to be in right now. Looking like I might get stopped out here though. Again, I have no idea how far this thing's going to roll over. So I don't know how much money I'm going to make. Good spot to be in. Although it's looking like I could be getting stopped out. Maybe not. If it can break down through 49, I'll adjust my stop loss once again. Do want to give it a little bit of wiggle room though. And once again, looking like I'm going to be stopped out there. So $359 in a very stress-free fashion. Let's see what else I can find. I have an order at 47.55 here on AMTD, first 500. Well, it got within 8 cents, as low as 47.63. So I'll give it another chance, see if it wants to work its way back down there. All right, well, at this point, I'd like to see it now get more overextended, so we'll go to 47.25. And we'll see if it can work its way down there. Have an order at 46.85 here on AMTD, see if it can break down through. It's getting close. Again, 46.85. All right, I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order to go short here at 161.25. Looking for a fake break of that moving average right there, but as of now, it got rejected right at the purple line. So all I can really do is laugh. Well, charts don't work. Charts are, what a coincidence, right? Where that price literally stopped going right up. So I'm going to keep an eye on it though. First order at 161.25. All right, I had some things pop up. I'm just going to call it a video. I've been doing a lot of long ones, and I'm going to make this one pretty quick just because I have other stuff I need to do, and like I said, I've already kind of been doing it, so I haven't even been paying attention. But pretty crazy when you stop and think about it. So the way my screen works, right here, you can see when I got filled, 9:34 and 25 seconds, and then when I finally was taken out of the trade, 9:35 and 22 seconds. So doing the math, 57 seconds I was in that trade. So 57 seconds, and I made $359. The stock market is a crazy, crazy place. Crazy place. So I'll take it. $359 in 57 seconds. Before I go real quick, first off, if you enjoy these videos and would like for me to keep making them, then the easiest way to communicate that to me is just to hit that like button and leave a comment down below, and hopefully subscribe to the channel too. But of course, check out the channel first. I can't stand when people are always like, subscribe to my channel, and it's like 2 seconds into the video. No, I'm not going to ask you. I'll ask you to please check out the channel and see if you like the other videos and content. And if you do, then yeah, please subscribe. But if anything, and you just like these videos specifically, hit that like button, leave a comment below. If you are interested in getting more involved with the clay trader community and such, I do offer a private trading group. And there's a chat room where I make out live alerts, for example. So the one you saw today, that was totally alerted. So myself and other members had the same exact opportunity to do very well on it. So really the way you look through that as far as the numbers is the question is, all right, $99 for 3 months. The question becomes, do I believe this service can make me more than $8.25 per week? If you think it can make you more than $8.25 per week, then you will get a great return on your investment. So that's kind of how you go through the thought process there. But like I said, there's a live chat room. Then there's also a weekly newsletter where I send out my personal scans and kind of the setups and such that I'm looking at. So if you have any questions though on that, just leave me a comment down below or hit up, get a hold of me on social media or whatever. But like I said, if nothing else and you just enjoy these videos, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and hopefully you ultimately decide to subscribe to the channel. So thanks for hanging out. I'll see you back for the next video.